about to cry because Bishme is just showing his collection, and I'm like, why am I about to cry like a baby? Like it's my friend in my head. Y'all, my friend won. My friend won. Like, oh my god, like I could cry. Like I'm so happy for him. Before she passed away, she told me I was going. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I gotta go. Like I'm such a sap. I'm like, I'm so happy for him. Well deserved. Y'all, why am I not at home? Like, why am I not at home? I was just crying over Bishme, acting like a big baby. Me and I knew this girl. I met this girl from a friend of mine like a long time ago. We kept bumping into each other. We have been chatting, and like she invited me over for wine. I was just sitting on my couch. I said I want connections. I said I want to like make more friends who are more in alignment with me, and so here I am. Here I am. I want to drink some wine, chill, watch TV. She has a dog, so I get inadvertent dog love. She is a little chihuahua. Y'all know I want a chihuahua. So anyway, I'm over here. We're gonna drink some wine. We're gonna chill. I was gonna cook, but she said she had already cooked. So I guess I'm not making that stir fry today. Michelle times 2. We're going to Whole Foods to get some taco stuff. I always look like this out here though. We're going to get taco stuff. That's what we're going to do. Down, my girl lives above the Whole Foods. A dream come true. So that's what we're about to do. I'm coming.
We need the most fat possible. Because I'm just skinny. Okay.
My friend is skinty. We need full fat ground turkey and salsa for me. Salsa for me. Y'all, in Whole Foods looking crazy. And more champagne. Do we need more? Why is it cleaned out in here? It's cleaned out. Alternative milks, cultured dairy. Hold on, I'm about to look. It might be over. It should be over here. Here it goes. In the corner.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go with Daisy because that's what black people go with. Oh, maybe that God didn't want us to go. That's fine for me.
Daisy is good, girl. What it was? Michelle.
The only thing I remember.
Who can twerk and make tacos at the same damn time? Me. I just hit my head. Ow.
I'm turning my camera off. I'm gonna get me some champagne. But my girl said, get the fuck out the kitchen. So I'm at the kitchen. Bye, y'all. It's Monday. I don't know if I've said it or not. Welcome to the vlog. Why am I always flipping my hair, y'all? Ooh, like always. I'm about to hit the pre. I like, what is this, C4 Super Sport? There's no difference in this. This is about to run through my system in like 2 seconds, but the Super Sport, y'all remember when pre-workouts used to have you lit for the whole workout? I do. They don't anymore. But C4 Super Sport, a little water. I already took my probiotic. This is my apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, lemon juice, garlic. It's an immune booster shot that I make for myself year round. I'm about to drink some of that and some of this because wine night was a long night. Y'all, this is why legitimately, like, outside of my house. Have not been inside of my house. I have not been drinking because I cannot. I just can't. It just, I am of age that it makes me feel like an elderly dinosaur the next day. So let's go do this workout. Baby, gym to myself.
Probably for like Saturday. I'm gonna take that Bodie t-shirt that I don't know if I ever showed y'all this. This is the t-shirt I got. It's a Bodie t-shirt. Nothing like spectacular. It just has like a little stitch star on it. I like in the vlog that I got from Zara. And then I'm driving home, so it's probably gonna come out like 1B. No, like it never comes out J. I do not know why. Anyway, happy Friday. Hey y'all, happy Saturday.
I have no idea if it's gonna rain today. What? But I just got done with a leg workout and needed to get some cardio in, but did not want to stay on the treadmill, so I just came outside for a little walkie walk. Yeah. Good neighborhood for a little while. All right, made my favorite quick after workout breakfast. I can eat this and like still be hungry enough to like eat lunch and get like a dinner in, because going out for a second today, so I want to get all of my meals in. It comes up. I'm surprised y'all hadn't already talked about it. Like,
We haven't really talked a lot. We haven't been talking a lot.
okay. Yeah, girl. So.
Let me let you go ahead and call her so she can open the door.
Alrighty. Have a good night. Talk to you later.
All right, you too, bye.
Bye. I feel like there's just not good light. I just did like a little light face. Because I need to spray it with my little we need to make sure that there we go. Okay, baby. Yeah, let's go. I wasn't holding it in the right part of the camera. There we go. Anyway, y'all, we testing out the cam. We are testing out the camera. I need to get myself dressed. Yeah, I'm getting smaller. That's great. That's what I wanted to happen. But dang, these pants, they have like a good as fit on him. He's cute. Put on one more shot of deodorant. Spray this. I cannot spray it back on myself, but I'm a hypnotic poison girl. Been like this since before y'all even knew it existed. Like, been a hypnotic poison girl. This fall, it's time to smell like that. The person who's gonna be that sold the whole house tonight is gonna be Duran Bernard. So I'm doing a little tiny desk concert to hurt myself. Tonight was so fun. Okay, so it was Duran, who was the guest or whatever. Oh my god, like Soho is giving me life. Like, y'all do not understand. Like, Soho is giving me life. I'm always gonna be there for a show. I'm taking my shoes off. Duran, DeBar, like, like, guys, music, people. I had like 100% a good conversation after that too. Hard. Heart is so full. Good night. Good night. We are keeping up these walks, this outdoor time. First of all, I'm a summer baby, born in the summer. Okay, but I'm not gonna lie. When fall hit, you can't tell me nothing. The crisp autumn air, like, come on. Like, this is everything. Anyway, I'm out for a walk. I'm going to take one of these out anyway, so I can watch my surroundings or whatever. I'm gonna roll this walk down by the shop. I might stop in and say hello to the girls, and then I'm gonna, on my way back, stop at the turnip truck because I want some orzo. So I don't know why. I saw a recipe and it has orzo in it, and that's something that I don't have. I usually have everything else that I need for recipes. I need like a lemon and some orzo. I want like some lemon orzo, I like some herbs. I might grab some fresh herbs too. Yeah, it is just Wednesday. It's Wednesday, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, so it's just Wednesday, but we are. Soho House was so fun last night. Ooh, I'll talk about that later when I get back to the house, but I had a blast. I listen to Sade first thing in the AM. I don't think there's any freaking orzo, y'all. That's like my whole point of being here. Yeah, I'm sad. Let me do my looking. So it's definitely none in here, like at all. I'm so sad about that. That's legitimately why I'm here. So I need to put these herbs back. Because I can't make the lemon orzo if I don't have it. All right, so mission aborted. No orzo was in the store. I just knew orzo was gonna be in. So anyway, finished my walk back home, and I did want to make like mocktails. You know, like I fell into the fray of wanting to make tart cherry juice, like with sparkling water, like mocktails at night. And then I got some sardines because they have this brand that is like so delicious. And I made like a egg noodle. I pan fried the sardines. I made some egg noodles and I used pesto and I put a little Parmesan cheese in it. Fire. We'll be recreating that meal maybe for lunch. And what else? Let me cross this street. Well, I can. So I got some sardines and then I got some plantain chips because I want something crunchy, and they had like a chili flavored one that I wanted to try. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this walk. I'm gonna start editing this vlog, and that is my Wednesday. It is Thursday. When I tell you, I feel so tired today. I don't know what that's about. I'm trying to decide if I want to go to the gym or if I want to go for a walk or if I just want to chill out. I'm supposed to start editing some stuff. I really need to get my nails done. This is random. Look, let me try to figure out what I'm about to do. First things first, for me getting out or of like a tired mood is to legitimately make up my bed because I want to get right back in it. But we're gonna make up the bed. I'm in the gym. I came in here. Let me say something. I don't think I will ever want to, but I do because it keeps me healthy and in shape, and I got some goals. But I made it to the gym. I did my little arm workout. That's why I'm like sweaty. About to get my cardio in, but I drank some pre-workout. Once I drink the pre-workout, it's like the tiredness, the sleepiness never existed. So here we are. Shout out to Gucci Mane, Drake, 3-6 Mafia with the whole group, not just, you know, a few people, everybody. Shout out to them for sponsoring this workout, baby, because I wouldn't have made it.
We're doing here, we're partying with a purpose. We're sponsoring Purpose Grill, so we can big shout out. For the one time, one thing we always do, we want to show love to every single body that's came through to pay homage, to take your time, your energy, your love for coming to this event. We can't do, like, this doesn't happen without y'all. So I want you to give yourselves a round of applause one time, if you don't mind. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Show up, to donate, and to just be valued in what
what we're doing. So we just want to say we love you. We are grateful for you. And we're excited to be here and turn up with y'all. So everybody raise their flag. Whoever has one. I want to say cheers to everybody. And if you're new to Friends and Fam, just know that the way we cheers is we say yours. So on 3, we're going to give a big yer for all that we all doing here. So on 1, 2, 3, yer!
Y'all, what a night.
This night started out so sucky. We had the best night ever. This was the best night.
Baby, first of all, I've met finally another person who has more energy than me. And her name is Michelle. Isn't that funny? Like, well, baby.
Miss Shelly if you're nasty. And if you go to Charlotte Park. Sorry.
My lashes are everywhere. What a Saturday. I slept in today. Do not regret. Hair looked crazy. First of all, I fell asleep on the couch watching my shows last night. My girl gave me this Daily Micro exfoliant. Baby, face be clean. From Dermatologica. I need to have it in my face on point. Okay? Use a little of that today. But I fell asleep on the couch. Woke up at like 4 a.m. Definitely. Like, girl, get off the couch. So I went and got in the bed. Opened up the blinds a little bit so I wouldn't sleep too long. And here we are. Here we are. It is like 11:30 and I wasn't asleep all that time. I woke up, read my little scripture and reflection, and then did my social media posts for the business, and I just like relaxed. It's like such a hard thing for me to do because I always feel like I need to be doing something. No. Relaxing. What a joy. What a joy. So I'm up now. I'm like, let me wash my hair, brush my teeth, get that part down, and then let me see what people are up to. It started raining today. I don't think rain was in the forecast, but it started, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do this Saturday. I don't know. We're gonna see. All right. I am dressed, baby. In monochromatic wear, but I'm getting ready to go. I'm getting ready to go to my friend's house for a little while. I don't have nothing else to do.
What you're doing and whatever it is, pouring a cup of coffee.
Hello, y'all. We're on the move. Waiting for my girl to come down and grab me. You know.
Seriously.
Were you gonna do dinner to save money? Is that the plan?
But we gotta find some way to save, so say hi to Glenn. Okay, that's my call.
Yeah, I think I have a much better plan.
What, Princess? Princess, do you have a love connection? Did you go pee here already? Come on, let's go. Princess is a $4,000.
Y'all,
I got hot sauce for days.
we got Princess over here being nosy.
Look, I'll take the chair so I can put her down.
Oh yeah, enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. Whew, we have reached the end of another week. Ugh, it was such a good one. I feel like it was like towards the end of the week, it was a bit of a whirlwind for me, a little bit here and there, but it just, I really enjoyed myself. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. I love to hear from you guys. Leave comments. Make sure you like the video so you can get more people here. I'll see you guys next week.